Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your BingX account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed the BingX app on your mobile device and you've created your account. From here we need to verify it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my BingX account. So I've just finished creating my account and now we need to verify it. So it will say your verification to start using BingX services. Complete the steps below. So we need to upload a valid ID document and upload a selfie. So we need to click on verify now. And now completing the identity verification unlock more features. If your daily or monthly deposit hits the upper limit, advanced verification will be required to continue depositing and trading. So it's going to take about 1 minute to verify. So if you want to do the basic verifications, we can do verify now. If we want advanced verifications, we can click verify now. They're basically the same, but the advanced one, you'll need to upload ID photos and face recognition. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start the first one, click on verify now. From here, we need to do the basic verification. So you've got to choose your nationality, your ID type, last name, first name, ID number, and date of birth, then click continue. So I'm going to fill this out and then click complete, and I'll meet you on the other side. Right, now once you've done that, it will say success, your verification is successful. If you do the other ID verification, you just got to upload a couple of documents and that's all.